You hate how he treats you, but you're still not ready to leave, and you already know he's not good for you. Mama's court is now in session. A woman says, he does not treat me well. He takes me for granted. I cook. I clean. I contribute money to the household. When I go shopping, I buy him things. I wash his clothes. I feed his pets. I make myself available whenever he wants me. But he disrespects me. He talks down to me, uses a condescending tone, calls me stupid, belittles me. He embarrasses me in front of other people. He cheats. Other women call his phone. He stays out overnight, sometimes the whole weekend. I know he's not good for me, but I also know it would hurt more to be without him. I'm not ready to let him go. I don't want to give up on the dream that one day he'll treat me the way I deserve. So for now, I'm taking the emotional abuse until I'm strong enough to leave. So, Mama, am I guilty of not being strong enough to walk away from an abusive man? Bad Mama says, okay, let's go there. You're not ready, and that's your truth. Leaving is painful, starting over is scary, and love doesn't shut off just because someone hurts you. So you choosing to stay until you're ready, until you've had enough, until your feelings dissipate. Good, Mama. But let's tell the truth. You're not just not ready. You're choosing to stay in a place that is actively breaking you. This is not just love. This is emotional abuse. This is disrespect. This is betrayal. This is someone who benefits from everything you give while giving you pain in return. And every day you stay, you teach him that this is acceptable, but you must not hurt yourself anymore. And if staying hurts less than leaving, then get stronger and leave. Good Mama has heard enough in the case of, I hate how he treats me, but I'm not ready to leave. This court finds him guilty of emotional abuse, guilty of disrespect, guilty of manipulation, guilty of taking advantage of your love, and you, not guilty of being weak, but guilty of staying longer and not getting stronger, guilty of believing he will change, guilty of loving him more than you're loving yourself. You realize leaving will hurt more, but what you're in right now is hurting you every single day. That's not love, that's survival. And if this hit home, you need to be in Mama's court because Mama's court is always in session.